Hey, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. This is Tony again. What do I have for you today? French toast. And why French toast now? Because I have 3 requests and it's one of my breakfast favorites. So here we go. Oh, just look at all these goodies that I have here. And look at this. I'm having American style toast bread. This is absolutely awesome. And I'm going to use 1 egg, some cinnamon, and some Canadian maple syrup. So all the ingredients you see here is for 1 portion. So you may have to double it or triple it for more serving. So let's get going. Okay, here we go. Grab yourself a tiny bowl and these little whiskey disky little things. And now I want you to grab 1 large egg and I want you to crack it and put it in the bowl just like that. Are we done? No, we're not. Now add 1 to 2 dashes of salt. And now this depends on you. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now here you can add a dash of cinnamon, but you know something? I only like to add it in the end. So that's really up to you now. And now a 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, let's start whisking this and let's keep on going until it is velvety smooth. So this is basically what we want. Now this is how I like to do it. Get yourself a large plate like this and take the mixture now and pour it onto the large plate. Believe me, this will make your life a lot easier. Now this mixture is made for 4 slices of bread. Here I'm using half white and half whole wheat. That depends on you. So now I want you to put them into the plate just like that. Leave it there for about a couple of seconds. Move it around, move it around. Now I want you to flip it over just like this so we can have everything sucked up into the bread evenly. And now what I want you to do is I just want you to let this sit for about 5 minutes and let all the mixture soak into the bread. And once again, we shall be back. Grab yourself a large Teflon pan and let's add a little bit of butter. Now you don't have to add butter, but you know something? I like it. It adds flavor. So that's basically up to you. Okay, now as you can see here, all the mixture has sucked up into the bread just like this. And we are ready. Okay, the pan's on medium heat, so let's start adding the toast. Once you put it down, let it stay for a couple of seconds. Don't move it around. We'll be doing that later. So here's our 3rd piece. Can I fit in that 4th piece? If I just move it around a little bit, it fits just perfect. Just like this. Depending on your settings, this should take about 2 minutes, but you know something? Take a little peek. And here you can see it requires another half a minute. So once again, I shall be back. Okay, one side is done. So let's flip it around. And now I want you to let this go for another 2 minutes. And yes, you could peek again to see if it's done. So let's now get going with this because I'm getting very, very hungry. Great, here it is. Get your fancy dancy plate and add 1 toast just like that. Let's put another piece just like this. Let's fancy it up and put another one like this. And of course, 1 at the top here. Now, of course, I have to center it. And here comes one of my favorite toppings, butter. Oh, this is going to be so awesome. Now, this is where I like to add the cinnamon right now over the hot French toast. And this is going to be awesome. And what I usually do is I just put a light coat on, but you can add as much as you want. And here's my favorite topping, Canadian maple syrup. And this just brings all the flavors together. Don't you just want to dig in there? This is absolutely awesome. And now, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to tease you with this just to show you how much I love this dish. And just for a bit of a teaser, let's do a taste test. Take a look under here. See how that is absolutely perfect. So where am I going to start? I don't know. Let's just take 1 piece from here, just like this. And let's take another little piece from there. And I just want you to see how moist it is. It's absolutely moist. It's absolutely perfect. And you know it's going to be good. So all I can say now is thank you very much for allowing me to share this recipe. I hope that you and your friends enjoy it. And I will see you again, once again, on my next cooking video. Thank you from Tony and Cooking Around. And please, Enjoy and keep those comments coming.